Happy Wednesday. I hope you all are doing well and thanks so much for joining me. In today's video, I don't know what the heck we're doing. I really don't. Real life. You see, I went to bed last night, probably close to 1 a.m. Just couldn't sleep. So I was editing a video for Friday and I had all kinds of technical issues, which just got my brain going. And I'm like, I'm going to troubleshoot this and I'm going to work it out. And before you know it, it was like 1 a.m. And then I woke up at 5:21 ready for coffee. And I think it just hit me and I am just like I need to go to bed. I really need to go back to bed for like an hour. But in any case, I can't do that because I don't want to leave you guys hanging. So I thought rather than doing a full-blown like decorate with me space kind of video, I thought, what can I do? See, I'm still thinking about what I could do. I do have a couple Walmart items, and maybe this will allow me to be a little bit creative on a much smaller scale. Yeah, let's do that. So the other day I was doing a grocery delivery from Walmart, and I should have just stuck to looking at groceries, but I thought, well, my goodness, can I have decor delivered too? And so I went available today, and then I typed in whatever it was I was looking for, and it was like vases and pottery, and this was available. And I went, what? I can have this in an hour? And I don't even have to leave my home. So anyway, I got this. Is this not beautiful? It's probably from the garden center area of Walmart. But let me tell you, you guys, they have vases, ceramic pottery, all kinds of different pottery that would work wonderful in a kitchen, table, on any tabletop. If you're looking for pottery, vases, things of that nature, don't skimp out on the garden center section where they have these pots and vases, because a lot of them can be used indoor or outdoor, and they are beautiful. I just fell in love with this one. I love the shape of it. I love how it looks scalloped. It's big, and I think they have these in 2 different sizes. I got the largest one, and I think they have a little bit of a smaller one. So you could certainly do a beautiful vignette using 2, and you could elevate one and do one lower. Just saying. But today, I'm going to try to think of some creative ways to decorate with this in my home, not outdoors. Okay, so when you have a bowl this large, you need something to sort of fill in the space, right? So in this case, a wreath is the perfect thing to use to sort of give it a textural element and a beautiful element too. So you just simply place it on top. It gives it a nice, beautiful textural element, a pop of green. You still can see the beautiful design on the bowl. And then in the center, that allows you to add whatever you like. Whew, that was heavy. Anyway, you can add a hurricane vase. You can add a big LED candle on the inside of it. You can add bowl filler, all kinds of things. But what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in my metal sort of lantern from Amazon. Shared it with you before. Huge fan of these. I love that it's metal, it's black, and then it's got this rustic wood top that comes off. And you can open this up. You can place a large LED candle. You can do something like this. You can get some little granary picks like this and kind of stick it on the inside, like so. And then I have this little birdie. So cute. Can you tell I've got spring on my mind today? It's been so cold outside, so cold. And I'm ready for some warmer weather, some color. I'm ready to hear the little birds chirping. You know how they are in the spring. But anyway, my idea is to place the bird inside here. Like the bird just flew in and is sitting there relaxing. And then take the greenery and try to pull it out, a few little pieces to make it look sort of wispy. Then you guys know what a huge fan I am of risers. Why? Because it allows you to elevate your decor at different levels. And if you need to do something like this and you need a little boost, it's the perfect size to sort of elevate whatever it is you want to put on bowl and get it boosted up. So let's try it. So look how cute this looks. It almost looks like a little bird cage with a bird in it, a beautiful decorative bowl on the bottom. You guys, would this not look beautiful on any tabletop, on a kitchen island? I love this look. It's so cute. I would say this is an early spring look. Now, if I wanted to, I could definitely add some color in with the bird, and that would really give it a nice pop of spring color. So anyway, you have options is what I'm trying to say, but this is absolutely beautiful. Guys, don't be afraid to use lamps in unconventional ways. I do it all the time. Now, I believe this lamp was from Target. I love it because it has a dimmer on it. So you can make it just really, I don't know if you guys can tell, super dim or super bright. And anyway, I'm going to put it in that bowl with a wreath. I'm just sitting it on the riser. The riser makes it nice and steady. It's not going anywhere. And then it kind of boosts it up and it just gives it a very interesting look. So here's that bowl again from Walmart with a wreath. And then all you do is take your lamp, set it on inside the bowl. I don't know if you guys can see this, but the light is illuminating the wreath and giving it a very pretty textural look. And on any tabletop, this is beautiful. It's different. I love things that look different. And then as I shared before, I found this on Amazon. It comes in this look and feel and white. It's kind of like whitewashed wood. And certainly, again, if I want to elevate this on any tabletop, this lamp, see the color of it? It goes beautifully with this. And then the white base just makes it pop. And it also ties in with this white, like stone look. So I love this. See how pretty that looks? Again, you don't need the riser, but if you want to elevate it, sit it in the center of your tabletop and decorate around it. I mean, sky's the limit. You do what you want, but I still think this is really cute because the brown ties in with the brown in the shade, and then the white ties in with the white in the vase, and the green just adds that pop of color. Okay, now I want to try this other wreath I found on Amazon. It's a little bit smaller. I just want to see how it looks, and it has the berries on it. I've shared this, but I just want to see how it looks using a bowl. Okay, so check this out. I love this little wreath. I haven't even fluffed it, and I don't know that I'm going to. I think I'm just going to set it on top and see what it looks like. But I can already tell I love it because I love the berries. And maybe what I would do is kind of pop these up to kind of accentuate the berries and give it a really neat textural look. This is like eucalyptus with the pops of berries, and I love it. It's perfect for this. And then what you can do, you can kind of like pull this down sort of over the edge to give it a nice look. And then you could put a big hurricane vase in here with a beautiful candle, and that would be gorgeous. Very elegant, very elegant. decided to display this bowl on top of this rustic wood tray. I like how the natural wood tone kind of makes the white pop. And then of course I love this wreath, it's gorge. And then I've got the riser in the center there. Now this will allow me to place my apothecary jar right directly in the center. All right, friends, that's gonna wrap up my video for today. I am so sorry, you guys, I'm just so tired and I need a nap. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching me style that Walmart bowl with various items to give it kind of a unique and different look. All right, guys, anything I can find, I'll link down below if you're interested or similar item. With that said, I will say I love you guys. Thank you so much for your wonderful comments. And oh, I wanna thank you guys for the comments left on what is your decorating style video. You guys are amazing. You have given me so many ideas, and I even learned about different decorating styles I had never heard of before. So, you know, it just goes to show you learn something new every day. And I hope you guys found it beneficial as well, kind of skimming through the comments and seeing how other people decorate or other styles they're incorporating with each other, you know, different styles together. So anyway, the response was just phenomenal, and I want to thank you guys. All right, friends, I will see you back here Friday for a Decorate With Me collaboration video. I'll see you then. Mwah. Bye, guys.